my body might be broken. Tash, basically. Are they even Irish? Trumpy Saturday. We hate them. Like Dad Genie. Morning. It's 10 to 8 on Thursday. I thought I would just stop vlogging. Nothing's really going on the next few days. I'm working today and tomorrow, and then it's the weekend, but I thought I would just, yeah, vlog a little bit. We are getting ready to head to the gym. Every evening I make my protein shake and some porridge oats to have afterwards. I haven't done lunch though. Okay, here we are on our way to work after the gym. Hopefully I don't look too, I think I've cooled down a bit. I was very red-faced after that workout. Yeah, this morning was a killer, but in a good way. We were doing the tyre thing again. We had the sandbags out. It was proper, is this what's gonna get me? No. It was proper boot camp style. I feel like my body might be broken.
Go and you can just, yeah.
Hi, hun. Okay, happy Thursday night, my friends. We're home after work. I came home to a couple of deliveries. I ordered a new sports bra from Nike. It was quite cheap, so I decided to order it, and I need some more sports bras. And also, I ordered this from The Ordinary. It's the vitamin C suspension 30% in silicone. And the reason I ordered this is because I've mentioned before I've got really bad pigmentation, specifically on my top lip, and I'm pretty sure it's melasma, which is literally the worst type of pigmentation you can have. And vitamin C is a bit of a funny one, so I only put it on there. I'm not going to put it all over my face because it can be a bit harsh, and I remember using vitamin C before and it makes your hands smell like metal. I know that sounds really weird, but like if you've been on a swing or something in a park or held coppers in your hand or something for ages, that smell that your hand gets, I feel like that's what vitamin C does. So I'm only going to use it sparingly and only on my tash, basically. Can't negotiate this Joby thing very well. You like up my nose, hi. Ended up having a bit of a hectic lunch because Hainsey and I went to another flat viewing. So I took that as my lunch because it's not far from where I work. And then I ended up just rushing back and I went to Pret and I picked up, like they do slim Pret sandwiches and slim Pret baguettes, which are smaller versions of their normal sandwiches and baguettes and stuff. So they do like this for their soups. So they do smaller servings of soup. So I got a slim Pret tuna and cucumber baguette, which was like a mini one. And then a small cup of carrot and coriander soup. And I didn't even know they did carrot and coriander soup. Is this really boring? I'm just realising what I'm talking about. I'm talking about lunch. But I know how it can be at work. It can be hard to decide what to have for lunch. So anyway, so we went to see the flat, so I didn't end up really vlogging much because I had to rush and do that. So I'm going to make dinner now because I'm hungry. I'm going to have a piece of salmon and then some tenderloin broccoli and like stir-fried veg. I'm also going to cook a chicken breast to take for lunch tomorrow. So that's what's happening now. Not very exciting. I mean, are we going to talk about the Kylie Jenner and Jordan Woods and Khloe Kardashian and Tristan, whatever his name is, fiasco or not? Right, do you know what? You need to just chill. One of my friends at work did say today, there is a new series to promote, so I wouldn't put it past Kris Jenner for like orchestrating the whole thing. And I was like, do you know what? That is so true, but wow. I mean, do you really need to do that? But, you know, do they really need to sell flat tummy tea? Probably not, but they still do. So I guess it's something I will, oh, hi. Something I will never understand. Gym session this morning was very tough. I feel like I'm going to be really strong, do you know what I mean? I can't do like a press up or anything, and I feel so weak. Like, even we did like TRX things, and I just find them so hard because I have no upper body strength. But I feel like the more I do this, I'm going to suddenly be able to do like 10 press ups. I'm going to feel like freaking Wonder Woman, do you know what I mean? With this chicken breast, I'm literally just going to fry it off like I do when I make like fajitas, and then take it to work tomorrow with this. I'll have like half of this with the chicken, and that'll be my lunch. And that will be the first time I've actually made lunch this week. I've been really trying to be good and make my lunch and take it with me, because it can be so easy to end up spending, especially where I work. There's so many like food options around, but they're all expensive, so it can be so easy to spend like a tenner a day just on crap. Ugh. Can anyone cut onions without crying? Seriously, because oh, my eyeballs. Why do boys do this? I say to Hainsley, oh, the plastic needs to go on the side because it's recyclable, but everything else will go in the bin. But then he decides to use this as like a bin because the bin's right there. It's just a bit too far to open the lid and put his banana skin and grape bits in there. Like, what? What are you doing? It is 8:55 and I'm literally ready for bed. I'm so... Celebs Go Dating is on at 9. And I was really looking forward to Celebs Go Dating because I love that show. It hasn't hooked me in so far. Do you know what I mean? It hasn't grabbed me. So I started watching it last night and then I went to bed at about 9:30. Now, wait, did I start watching it at 10? Maybe I started watching it at 10. And I went to bed halfway through because I was like, I'm just too tired, I can't be bothered. So I'm going to decide what to do. I've decided I'm going to prep my porridge oats. Is that wet in there? Yeah, these kind of porridge oats I've pretty much been eating. Right, listen to me, Scales. I've pretty much been eating every morning because I like warm porridge oats of a winter's morning, basically. So I put them in the fridge overnight, take them to work. As you saw this morning, I like to take them to work, put them in the microwave, bish bash bosh, away we go. So these are just flavorhans? Flaharvans? That's a really awful accent. Are they even Irish? 100% whole grain organic porridge oats. We have 30 grams of those in our porridge concoction. I actually don't really know why I'm showing you this because it's not really the most interesting overnight oat recipe, to be honest. I don't put protein powder in because I don't like it. I only really have that in my shake. Milk, we're going to go for this Root Health chocolate hazelnut drink. I will either do this or Outpro coconut almond. 100 grams of that goes in. Then I just put in a little teaspoon of this flaxseed, chia seed, hemp seed mix from which... Oh wait, I showed you this yesterday, didn't I? Because I put it in my energy balls. I said just a teaspoon of that. I actually then also have been putting in a little tiny bit of cinnamon. And then a couple pinches of coconut sugar. So there we go. Not the most aesthetically pleasing of dishes, but it's yummy. Get some cling, in the words of Nigella, and then shove it in the fridge and away we go. That's all ready for me tomorrow morning. Put these back in the fridge, because did you know that this needs to be stored in the fridge? Neither did I, but apparently it does. Okay, so that is all from Mary's kitchen. Thank you for watching. I'm going to say goodnight and then I will see you, hopefully, in the morning. So I let myself sleep in this morning. Oh, I don't think I'm getting ill. Yesterday I felt a bit achy. I mentioned everyone around me is ill. So when I woke up this morning, I thought I'm just going to let myself sleep in, have a lazy-ish morning, then head down and go and view this flat at 10 and then go to work. So I'm going to make some porridge oats, make a cup of tea, sit and watch the telly for a bit because I don't need to leave for about another hour, and then get myself ready. But I haven't had a nice leisurely morning like this for ages on a weekday. Before I started working out every morning, I quite liked that because my job starts a bit later. It allowed me to be able to probably have breakfast and probably have like a morning routine. Okay, we're ready. This mirror is a funny one because I can't stand in the middle because this thing's there. But we are ready to go. Look at me and Hainsey's new home, lol. This is what we're wearing today to work. Just easy breezy cash because it's Friday. Well, I mean, because it's Friday. I'm always easy breezy at work, to be honest. This really old H&M mock neck like knit that's tucked into some really old Topshop straight leg jeans. Very dad vibes today. My New Balance trainers, and then this coat from And Other Stories, and then my Ali Capolino bag. Heading off to see this flat, then off to work, and then this evening we're going to go meet my friend B for a couple drinks because she is working at the wedding show this weekend. She's an illustrator. So there's a wedding show that she's working at and it's like the launch night tonight, so I'm going to go meet her. And that's our Friday. Okay, let's go. Thank you, bye. Good, thank you. Can I have a coconut flat wine, please? Or a Scotch Broad Lady? Thank you. Flat viewing is done. Yeah, it went well. Really nice flat. It's in, I don't know if I mentioned, we're kind of looking at flats in one building. We saw another one in the same building yesterday. I think I did mention this. And so it was good to see this one this morning. It's given us clarity. Well, me, Haynes wasn't there and I've just sent him a video of the flat. But given me clarity on yesterday's one versus today's. So it was really good. I'll fill you in more on the moving situation soon. It's the very beginning stages, so once things are happening I'll let you know what's going on. I just had to stop and get myself a coffee because I feel exhausted. Really, really tired today. I mean, it is Friday, so it's to be expected, but I honestly just want to have a nap. Right, okay, I'm heading to the office and I will check in with you a bit later. Oh, goodness me. We're in Shoreditch. Heading to meet my friend B, who I think you guys have met before. I need a bit of a drink actually, I've had quite a stressful day. I have no idea where B is, but I have got myself a cocktail, which is the main thing. There she is! Oh! We had our picture taken! Gorge. Okay, so Trumpy Saturday is in full flow. I'm just heading out to the supermarket. The outfit. I've tried to like classy up my joggers by wearing a roll neck, a black roll neck. I feel like this actually looks like an outfit, not like I just have given up on life, which today would suggest has happened. Okay, so pretty uneventful Saturday so far. I've at least kind of made myself look a bit more human. Hainsey and I have literally done nothing all day except sit on the sofa. Now I'm heading out to the supermarket, as I mentioned. I feel like I did this last Saturday. Saturday seems to be the day now for the supermarket. Had perhaps slightly more to drink yesterday than one should have done. Was feeling a little bit worse for wear, actually, when I woke up this morning, which is why I've been lazy. Yeah, I've kind of spent the day, well, the last sort of hour of the day after having a shower and feeling a bit more productive, just kind of sorting my life out really, trying to get my finances in order. Oh, I mentioned yesterday about how yesterday was a bit of a stressful day, and that's just regarding all this moving stuff. I briefly mentioned in my last vlog that the landlords have decided to sell, which was a bit of a surprise. We weren't expecting that. We've never met our landlords, so didn't really think too much about them. Thought they're probably, you know, all right people. Now with all this stuff, we hate them, and now we just want to move, so we are full on in flat hunting mode. I don't know why I've decided to kind of have a little catch up with you in the car, but yeah, let's head to the supermarket, and then I think Cloudy is popping over later because she needs to use a computer. But yeah, okay, let's go. So back from the supermarket. I didn't actually take you into the supermarket because I only had my small bag and you wouldn't fit, and you know what a supermarket's like, it's not really that interesting. Yeah, I'm back. I've unpacked the big shop. We've got a nice full fridge. Look at that. Is there a more satisfying sight than that? So I'm just prepping. We're having roast chicken tonight, so I'm just prepping that. And then, yeah, I think Clouds is going to pop over in a little bit. Oh, this is wet. And then we're just going to be chilled tonight. I feel like I go to bed now actually. And yeah, so let me get this chicken sorted. Okay, here we go. Roast chicken's ready. Apologies for anyone that doesn't eat meat. We're just getting a bit of rice on the go for Hainsley. There's the roasted veg. And a roast on a Saturday. I mean, what are we like? Claudia's not coming over because she needed to basically use my Final Cut Pro to export her video. She's been able to do it at home, so she's not coming over now. Yummy.
You know, and
look at that mountain of food. Sorry, does my hair look awful? I got rained on. I just wanted to quickly dip in and end this vlog because, as you may have guessed, I didn't end it, did I? Yesterday we just ate dinner and started watching this thing on Netflix called Dirty Money, and then went to bed, so not very eventful. And then today I haven't really done that much. We got up really late actually, had a really nice lazy Sunday lie-in, which was great. And then I went to the gym, and then I went and met my friend Georgia to go shopping, and I got these new pair of trousers, which is really what I want to show you before I sign this vlog off, because I absolutely love them, and they're in Topshop now, and they're just like the perfect spring summer trouser. So this is them. I feel like this, you can't, I don't know, I feel like this isn't really showcasing how great they are. They're in between like a chino and a jean, do you know what I mean? And they're kind of like peg leggy. They've got great pockets, but I just thought they were like kind of like dad jeany, but really good for summer, like with Birkenstocks or with trainers. And they also do these in like a khaki green. Oh, there's a dirty mark there. I need to wash them. But anyway, I feel like sometimes Topshop, more recently, I don't feel like Topshop always get it right, but when they do, especially with trousers, they really, really do. Like, the fit is great. Some of my favourite trousers are from Topshop. I just wanted to shout out these ones because I think the fit is just ideal. So yeah, I just thought I'd let you know these are my new trues, and I absolutely love. I feel like this vlog's been a real mishmash, so I hope it's been alright. I hope you've enjoyed it, and hopefully I will see you again soon. I don't know if I'll vlog this week because I don't really have much going on. Like, all I do is go to work, go to the gym, and then go to bed. So I don't know when I'll vlog again. So as always, thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Mwah!